Hello students, welcome to Kids English School online classes. These classes is for 3rd standard. So introduction is already given you before and I hope you understood each and everything. Okay, let's start with the chapter. Your first chapter is living and non-living things. I know you are not having books, don't worry. The material which is provided by the schools, you have to just open it. Okay, this is your science book for 3rd standard, and this book we are going to provide you as soon as possible. So, my dear students, let's start our today's chapter, living and non-living things. Okay, just look at the pointer. Wherever I am pointing, just keep your focus there. आप जहाँ पर भी मैं आपको ऐसे रेड लाइन दिख रहे, रेड मार्क्स दिख रहे, आपको वहाँ फोकस करना है ताकि आपको बेटर तरीके से समझ में आए और यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेयर आई एम रीडिंग. आपको समझ में आए कहाँ मैं रीड कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट विद लिविंग and non-living things. What do you mean by living things? Living things means the things which are able to breathe. जो चीज़ें सांस ले सकती, the things which can walk from one place to another by their own. जो चीज़ें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह अपने आप चल सकती, like we humans, like animals, like we can walk from one place to another. Just like examples, here some examples have given here. So this is your plants, you know. The plants are green in color. They can move from one place. They cannot move from one place to another. Okay, but still they are known as living because they give us oxygen. They grow. They reproduce. Next is animals. Yes, they move from one place to another. Animals क्या करते हैं? वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह move करते हैं. And while they are moving, they move for their growth, they move for the reproduction and another things. Next is your bacteria, next fungus and protostome. Okay, so now next we will go with the non-living: water, soil, air, minerals, light. Okay, these are the non-living materials which are present on earth. So let's start our today's topic, living and non-living. So it's very simple to understand. Now, okay, let's start the chapter by classifying the living and non-living thing. तो हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, हम क्लासीफाई करेंगे, हम पहचानेंगे कि लिविंग थिंग क्या है एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग क्या है. ओके, सो हियर नाउ यू कैन सी द पिक्चर्स. आप लोग सब पिक्चर्स देख सकते हैं. नाउ टेक योर पेंसिल, take in your notebook, you can just write down the spelling or you can mark N for non-living, L for living. Simple. These are the stars. Are stars living and non-living? Okay, the stars are non-living. Okay, very good. What is this? Which picture is this? Yes, it is an elephant. Elephant is a living. Why elephant is known as living? Because it moves from one place to another. It takes breathing and etc. are the reasons for living things. Sorry. Now next is balloon. Is balloon living or non-living? Yes, of course, non-living. Next is your flowers. Yes, very good, living. Next is your aeroplane. Aeroplane is made by man, so it is non-living. Butterfly, very good, living. This is dice. What is the use of dice? Dice we use in playing Ludo. Okay, so this is a man-made thing, so obviously it is non-living. Yes, next is ant. So what is ant? Ant is an animal. Very good. Ant is an animal. An animal is a living thing. Very nice. Next is your ship. Ship is made by man, so it is non-living thing. I hope you understand what is living and what is non-living thing. So if you have done this, it's very nice. I know you are able to solve this. It is given in your worksheets. Just open your worksheet and write down N and L as per your convenience. So let's begin the chapter. I request you to turn the pages. आप लोग pages turn करिए. Yes. Now there. Now I will read the chapter. मतलब मैं जो content आपकी book में है वही चीज़ read करूँगी. You just have to listen it. There are so many things that we observe around us, such as the sun, the moon, plants, cars, train and building. हम अपने आसपास बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखते हैं. Like early in the morning we see the sun rises, sun sets in the evening, then next comes the moon, then plants we can see everywhere around us. They are green in color. Okay, next is cars are made by man. Okay, these cars, trains and buildings, we all know how it looks. Sun is round and like this in shape. Yes, very good. I know my students know how the sun looks like. Okay, now next is your moon. Okay, so I know my drawing is little bit dirty, but don't worry, you will understand it. Next is your moon. So next is, I know you know what is plant. Plants have branches, roots and okay, trains, buildings and cars. Some of these things are natural things which occurs naturally. What do you mean by natural things? Natural thing का मतलब क्या है? The things which are present naturally, which are God gifted. Okay, these things are God gifted. Man cannot create it. Okay, no one can create sun, no one can create moon, no one can create air. Exactly. So these are known as natural. The sun, the stars, plants and animals are example of natural things. So please underline the sun, the stars, plants and animals are example of natural things, because they are not made by humans, they are not made by any other source, they are present naturally. Things like buildings, roads, cars and trains are human made things. What do you mean human made things? Means it is made by us. हम लोगों ने ये चीज़ बनाई. Like we have created buildings, we know how to build road, we know how to make a car, and we know how to make a train, right? So it is known as human made. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Man made or human made things. Okay. Next is your, what do you mean by definition? Definition of natural thing. Exactly natural thing क्या रहते हैं? What is a natural thing? It is the material produced by nature. Okay, it is a material produced by nature without any act of human. Okay, आप मुझे बताइए, just think about it कि do you know how sun is created? How far the sun is from us? Yes, we can approximately tell the distance that sun is away from the earth at this point, but we cannot go and touch the sun. Next is your moon. We cannot create a moon. We cannot give light to the moon. Okay, rivers, rain. Okay, rivers are created with the help of rain. Do we create rain? No. Trees are also produced naturally. Nature has produced these materials, so it is known as natural things. Next is the man-made things. It is the material produced by humans. अब ये मटेरियल है जो हम लोगों ने प्रोड्यूस किया. वी मेड दिस, ह्यूमंस मेड दिस, लाइक बिल्डिंग्स, कार्स, कंप्यूटर्स, लैपटॉप, बाईसाइकिल, mobile phones which you are using right now is all created by humans. It all created by man. So it is known as man-made thing. Okay, just write down these both definitions in your notebook and make sure that you learn it as soon as possible. आप लोग ये definitions notebook में either you write in your homework book or rough book, whichever book you like, and make sure that it will be repeated in your next class also. Okay, now here is difference some examples of man-made and natural things. Man-made things, natural things. Clothes, furnitures. Okay, clothes, the kapde, the things, the material which we wear is known as clothes. The thing, the material, you're wearing frock, you're wearing jeans, you're wearing top, whatever you're wearing is known as clothes. Furniture like table, chair. Sorry, just a second. Okay. Okay, so table, chair is known as furniture. Pots, earthen pots. Earthen pots means matke. Fans, pans, you know, fry pans which हमारी मम्मी जो यूज़ करते हैं किचन में एग बनाने के लिए या फिर वॉट एवर मटेरियल वेजिटेबल्स बनाने के लिए, जो भी मटेरियल्स बनाने के लिए जो पैंस यूज़ आता, इट इज़ नोन एज पैंस. Pots, it's made by human. Earthen pots means mudka, which is made with the help of mud, as you know. Pencils, which you are using right now, pens, books, are all made by man. Next is your cars and bicycles. Cars, you know. Bicycles, which you ride daily. Next is the paper, which is present in your book, your newspapers. Any papers is a man-made material. So write down the examples of man-made things and natural things. Next is natural rock, that is your stone. Stone is not created by man, like mountains, stones. Okay, just a second. Mountain, stones, these are not created by man, they are naturally. Butterflies, elephants, trees, sun, moon, stars, and people. People or humans. Okay, peoples or humans. Humans means all of us. We are made by natural or we are made by a nature. Next we go with the living things. Okay, now this is present in your textbook. These examples are not in your notebook, not in your textbooks, not in your worksheet. Don't worry, ये examples आप video stop करके write down कर सकते हैं. Okay, so these examples are just for your understanding. ये examples आपको अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आना चाहिए. Man-made things क्या रहते हैं, natural things क्या रहते हैं, इसीलिए आपको बताया जा रहा है. Next is your living things. So the characteristics of living things are dissimilar from non-living things in many ways. Following are the characteristics of living things. First is your movement. Okay. Next is your growth, reproduction, need for food, sensing the changes, taking breath. Okay. So first characteristic is movement. What do you mean by movement? Going from one place to another. What do you mean by movement? Movement is going from one place, one place to another. ANOTHER, another. Okay, movement means going from one place to another. मतलब हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रैवल कर रहे या मूव कर रहे या चल रहे is known as movement. Next is your growth. Growth means like growing. From first we were babies. हम क्या थे, एकदम छोटे babies थे. Then after babies, what we become? We become an child. We become a child. Then after child, we become adult. Adult means हम बड़े हो जाते हैं. After adult, we become again old. Okay, we become old, and after old, it's a natural process. पहले हम बेबीज रहते हैं, बेबीज का चाइल्ड बनते हैं, फर्स्ट वी डोंट नो हाउ टू टॉक, हमको बात करना नहीं आता, हमको चलना नहीं आता, देन आफ्टर दैट पॉइंट इज नोन एज बेबीज। हम तब हमको क्या बोलते हैं, जब हमको चलना नहीं आता, हमको बात करने नहीं आती, तो हमको क्या बोलते हैं, बेबीज। Then after babies, we become a child. We able to walk, we able to run, we able to ride a cycle. We go to school, we learn many things. So that is our child. Then we become adults. We go for the job. We go for the we do take our decisions. We work hard. We do lot of things when we become an adult. And after adult, we become old. We become old. Like our grandparents, it's quite difficult to walk a while, but that's okay. Being old means it's like you are an age. Next is reproduction. Reproduction means from one generation to another. Okay, from one generation to another means like cat gives birth to kitten. You know, very good. Cat gives birth to kitten. सो देर इज स्पीसीज ऑफ कैट। तो सो हमारे पास एक से दो कैट होती है, दो से तीन कैट्स होते हैं। देन द सेम विद द डॉग्स ऑल्सो, फ्रॉम वन अनदर टू अनदर, लाइक वी ह्यूमन्स ऑल्सो, फ्रॉम मदर फादर टू बेबी। सो इट इज नोन एज रिप्रोडक्शन, मीन्स फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर। Need for food. Okay, we all need food. Yes, we all need food. Why we need food? Because we need food to get ourselves healthy. We need food to make ourselves strong. We need food to make ourselves working. So food is the basic need of a man. In the case of man also, in the case of animals also, in the case of plants also. So how do plants eat? Do they have mouth? No, they don't have mouth. उनके पास mouth नहीं रहते. Then how they eat? They have the source of food for the plants is sunlight, water and soil. Plants के लिए क्या क्या source of food के? For plants, the source are, yes, sunlight. Just repeat after me. Sunlight. Very nice. Then where soil, and next is your water. These are the basic food for the plant. Next is sensing the changes. To sense the change, we can feel there is change in the climate, right? Taking breath. We breathe. So every animals take breathe. So it is the characteristics of living thing. If a thing is living, it should have these substances in that. So now we will discuss these characteristics in detail. Okay. Now what we will do? We will discuss these characteristics in detail. First is living things move. How living things move? We move with the help of our legs. So, but other animals, other plants, they have legs, some have wings. How the plants move? So we will study in this part. Living things generally move from one place to another in search of food and shelter, or to protect themselves from enemies. This ability of living things to move from one place to another is called locomotion. Okay, now what is exactly the locomotion is? Locomotion is the ability of living things to move from one place to another. Ability means like we all have legs, okay? So in our legs we have ability to move from one place to another, is known as locomotion. Living things generally move from one place to another in search of food. Why do we move from one place to another? Why do animals move from one place to another? In search of food and shelter, or to protect themselves from enemies. Like some animals like deer and other animals, they are hunted by another animal, so they move from one place to another in search of protection, in search of food and in search of shelters. मतलब जो animals like हम एक एनिमल्स मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, वो इसीलिए मूव करते ताकि उनको फूड मिल सके, शेल्टर मिल सके एंड वो अपने आप को एनिमीज से प्रोटेक्ट कर सके, ताकि उनको कोई जल्दी से ईट ना करे, उनके जो ऑफ स्प्रिंग्स हैं, उनके जो बच्चे हैं, उनको कोई खा ना ले जब वो छोटे। तो इसीलिए वो वन प्लेस टू अनदर अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए शिफ्ट करते हैं, मतलब मूव होते हैं। एनिमल्स यूज डिफरेंट मोड्स ऑफ मूवमेंट, सो every animal use different modes of movement. For example, walking, running, swimming, jumping, flying and hopping to move from one place to another. Well, so now अब आपको पता है every animals, we all know this, every animals have different way of लोकोमोशन, मतलब हर एनिमल अलग अलग तरीके से मूव होता है। लाइक फर्स्ट इज वॉकिंग, वॉकिंग मीन्स चलना, राइट। रनिंग मीन्स टू रन, सो सम एनिमल्स लाइक चीता दे रन। स्विमिंग, some which are the animals that swims like crocodile, fishes, they swim and move from one place to another, वो एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस स्विम करके मूव करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज जंपिंग, jumping like frog, okay, frog jump from one place to another and they moves. Flying, birds fly, okay. Hopping, to move from one place to another. These are the मोड्स ऑफ मूवमेंट, मतलब इस तरीके से क्या करते हैं एनिमल्स मूव करते हैं ताकि वो अपने आप को अपने लिए फर्स्ट फूड सर्च करें, नेक्स्ट शेल्टर मीन्स रहने की जगह, देन टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम दी एनिमीज। दीज थ्री आर द बेसिक नीड ऑफ एनिमल्स। सो एनिमल्स बेसिकली क्यों मूव करते हैं? फॉर द फूड, यस, फूड, देन फॉर दी शेल्टर मीन्स उनके रहने की जगह, उनको अच्छी जगह सर्च करते हो रहने के लिए ताकि उनको एनिमीज जल्दी कॉट ना करें, एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम enemies, yes, to protect themselves from enemies. Okay, so next we go, like I have already told, fish swims and dog run. So these are the movements, mode of movement. Next is plants do not show movement from one place to another. See, plants, कभी आपने देखा क्या एक ट्री यहाँ था, नेक्स्ट डे वो उसकी प्लेस चेंज कर दिया? नो. Why? Because plants don't have legs, their roots are fixed into the soil. जो plants हैं उनके roots क्या रहते हैं? soil में fixed रहते हैं. They are not able to move from one place to another. However, different parts of some plants can show movements. Different parts of plants. So what are the parts of plants? So parts of plants are leaf, right, stem, 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 then branches, okay, then roots, flowers are the basic parts of plant. We all know a plant has flower, a plant has root, a plant has branches, stem and leaves. So these are the parts of plants can show movement. These part of plant can show movement, means ये move कर सकते, they move slightly, means they don't go from one place to another. वो एक place to another place नहीं जाते, just they change their direction. Okay, plants only change their direction. So example of such plants are touch me not, it is known as mimosa and sunflower. The leaves of touch me not get closed when touched. Sunflower turn leaves towards the sun. So what is how the plant is touch me not? So how touch me not shows the movement? When someone touches it, it gets closed, otherwise it remains open. So it is known as touch me not or mimosa plant. Next is sunflower. The sun, what is how the sunflower move? It just move its direction towards the sun. जिस तरफ sun है उस तरफ वो क्या करता है, अपना डायरेक्शन मूव करता है, अपने लीव्स को मूव करता है ताकि it gets a good sunlight. Living things move by themselves and therefore make best use of this property to show that they are alive. Have you ever seen a chair moving by itself? So living things वो one place to another move करते हैं, इसीलिए हमको समझ में आ जाता है कि they are alive, वो जिंदा है करके. बट हैव यू एवर सीन, क्या आपने कभी देखे कि चेयर अपने आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रही, टेबल अपने आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह है? नो, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो इट इज नोन एज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, मीन्स दैट कैन नॉट मूव विद द हेल्प बाय देमसेल्फ. So now next is your living things grow. How do living things grow? Living things कैसे grow होते हैं? We will study that. Living things exhibit growth as they grow. The shape, and size of the body also changes. So now you can see here is a small baby. Is a child. He become younger, then adult. Then it becomes a old. So this is the way a human can living things grow in the shape, size, and there is change in the body. See how the baby was not able to stand on his leg, but as he becomes an adult, as he become a child, he stand on his legs. Then again, then again he is able to walk properly, he can stand straight, he can do his work, and again it becomes an old. Growth is a living thing, takes place with time. Okay, growth is by time, means like years. So he is of 1 month, suppose, for example, 1 month, then he will become of 2 years, then he will become of 7 years, then 18 years, then 25, maybe 25 years or 30 years, then 40 to 50 years, then after 50 to 60, 70, whatever may be the years. So it requires time for a living organism to grow. हर living organism को grow होने के लिए क्या लगता? टाइम लगता. ओके, एज वी ग्रो, मतलब हम जैसे जैसे ग्रो होते हैं तो हमारे में क्या क्या चेंजेस आते हैं? शेप एंड साइज ऑफ आवर बॉडी. हमारे बॉडी का साइज और शेप क्या होता है? आज जैसे जैसे हम बढ़ते हैं वो क्या होता है? चेंज होने लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a human baby grows into an adult. For example, a human baby grows into an adult. A baby seed grows into a plant. एक seed काय में grow होगा? Plant में. And a calf grows into a cow. Similarly, a chick grows into a hen. These examples show that living things grow. So ये examples से हमको क्या पता चलता कि living things क्या होते हैं? Grow होते हैं. But have you ever seen a small toy growing up into a big toy, or a small computer growing up into a big computer? The answer will be no, because they are non-living things. Yes, अब कभी देखे हैं कि आपने आपकी एक छोटी सी स्मॉल कार है, सपोज दिस इज योर स्मॉल कार. हैव यू एवर सीन दिस स्मॉल कार बिकमिंग बिग? ये स्मॉल कार कभी आपकी बिग कार बन सकती क्या? नो. वाई? बिकॉज इट डोंट ग्रो, इट डोंट चेंज शेप. वो कितने भी ईयर्स हो जाएंगे वो अपना शेप चेंज करेंगे क्या? नो, इट विल नॉट चेंज शेप, इट विल नॉट चेंज साइज. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज इट इज नॉन लिविंग, बिकॉज इट कैन नॉट ग्रो, बिकॉज इट इज नॉन लिविंग. ओके, so next we will go with living things reproduce. Living things are capable of producing babies of their own kind by a process called reproduction. Reproduction means producing. To see, like hen gives egg, humans give babies. This is an example of reproduction. For example, human beings and animals like cats and dogs give birth to young babies. Okay, so like cats give birth to a kitten, right? Dog give birth to a puppy. Okay, they give birth to the babies. But birds lay eggs. Birds क्या lay करते? They lay eggs. The produced young ones by living things mostly resemble their parents. So hen will become hen, a human baby will become human, and मतलब hen क्या बनेगा? hen बनेगा. ह्यूमन रहेगा, मतलब आपके जो भाई बहन है छोटे, वो आपके जैसे, राइट? दे आर नॉट एनिमल्स, दे आर लाइक अस. So humans will give humans, animals will give animals, and it will look like a parent. Resemble means वो थोड़े थोड़े parents में मिलते जुलते, they are alike their parents. Okay, so here you have to underline from living things till reproduction, underline the sentence, and you have to write the example for human babies till birds lay egg. Okay, now next is plants. Plants produce seeds that later develop into a new plant. We all know plants, झाड़ कैसे बनते? सबसे पहले सीड रहता, सीड को हम सॉइल में डालते, मट्टी में डालते, देन उसको we give them water, फिर उसको sunlight में दे, then seeds start growing into the baby plant, then baby plant into a younger plant, and then slowly it becomes a tree. If you make a mango, अगर आप mango seed डालेंगे तो you will get a tree of a mango. Okay, जो आप seed डालेंगे आपको fruit कैसे मिलेगा? सेम वैसे exactly. अगर आप ऐसे करें, आपने ऑरेंज का सीड डाले एंड डू यू गेट मैंगो, क्या आपको मैंगो ट्री मिलेगा? नो, बिकॉज मैंगो orange will produce orange. Okay, orange will produce orange. Does your toy car produce a baby toy car? क्या आपकी छोटी सी टॉय कार बेबी टॉय कार और एक टॉय कार प्रोड्यूस कर सकती और एक टॉय कार बना सकती? नो, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. वाई? कि जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है वो प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते, वो ग्रो नहीं कर सकते, वो ब्रीथ नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नोन एज नॉन लिविंग. डज द टेबल इन योर रूम प्रोड्यूस अ न्यू टेबल? नो. द आंसर इज नो, because they cannot reproduce, because they are non-living things. Living things need food. Okay, we all need food. हम सबको food की ज़रूरत होती है. Whenever we are hungry, जब हमको भूख लगती है, हम सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? We run into the kitchen. हम किचन में भागते हैं and we find the food to eat. So what do you do usually when you are hungry? आप लोग क्या करते हैं जब आप लोग hungry रहते? What do you do? You look for the food to eat. Exactly. आप लोग क्या देखेंगे? What you will do? You look for the food to eat. हम लोग क्या ढूंढते हैं? We find food. We see in the kitchen. We go here and there to find the food. As food provide us growth, energy, as food provide us growth and energy to support our life, it is considered to be very essential for all living things. Animals obtain their food from plants or other animals to live. So, exactly, as food provides us growth. मतलब food हमें क्या provide करता? Growth provide करता. When we eat healthy food, जब हम healthy food खाते हैं, we become strong to make ourselves. We are able to sleep well. जब हम अच्छे से डिनर करते तो हमको नींद अच्छी आती. Like it supports our life, it supports our body. If we will not eat, what we will become? We will become वीक, हम क्या हो जाएंगे, एकदम वीक हो जाएंगे, कमज़ोर हो जाएंगे. वी विल नॉट एबल टू वॉक, विल नॉट एबल टू रन, वी विल नॉट एबल टू प्ले. सो फूड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. फूड हमारी लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज it give us energy and it help us to grow. Animals obtain their food from plants or other animals to live. So animals कहाँ से food, animals को food कहाँ से मिलता? Exactly, plants or another animals. Like see, here in the picture you can see deer क्या खा रहा? Deer is eating grass. Okay, what is deer eating? Grass. And lion is eating deer. So animals depend on grass and some animals depend on animals. Okay, most plants are capable of making their own food in the presence of sunlight, air and water. Therefore, they are called the primary source of food. Some plants make their own food. कुछ plants है जो अपने food own बनाए. So what they need to make their own food? Sunlight, air and water. So it is known as primary source of food. The first source of food. So, okay, today we will close our chapter here. We will stop our chapter here, and in the next lecture I will continue the chapter. Whatever you did not understood, go back, play the video again and you can see the lecture. So आपको जो भी नहीं समझा आप वापस से पीछे जाइए and you can see the lecture. If you then also don't understand, फिर भी आपको कुछ नहीं समझा, you just have to give the message on the registered number. So now next is your homework part. What you will do, you will learn and write 10 names of living and non-living things, like 10 examples. What you have to write? 10 examples. For example, living things is animal. Okay, write the name of the animals, like you can write deer, you can write rabbit, etc. whatever you like. Okay, and non-living thing like table, chair. So you have to write 10 names. Next, you have to write the characteristics of living thing. What are the characteristics of living thing? You know, that is movement, growth, reproduction, need for food, sensing the changes and taking breathe. These are the characteristics of living thing. So you have to write the definition of natural and man-made thing, which is given in your textbook also, and you will write the given table like this. This is the table which is given to you of examples. Yes, this is the table. So you have to write this table in your homework. Okay, make sure that you should learn the examples and write the table carefully. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching the lecture.